Today we'll be checking out the OpenCart Move to Wishlist plugin that allows the customers to basically move their products from the cart to the wishlist itself, and the move to the wishlist button appears on the cart page and my cart section. And as we know that at the time of ordering the product, some customers may change their mind in the last seconds for moving products to their wishlist, and this plugin comes handy for those customers. Now here we are on the product page, and here we have the add to wish list button. And if I add this particular product to my cart and I tap here on the cart as well, so here within the cart I'm not able to see the move to wish list option. The same would be visible only after we've logged into our account. So let's get ahead and let's log into the customer account by entering the username and the password for the same. Now let's come back and let me refresh the page for the store now. So here we have the add to wishlist button, and now if I go to the cart here and I'll just tap here on that cart, here we can see the move to wishlist button here as well. Now using this we can add this particular product into the wish list, so we can move the product to the wish list. So let's tap here on the move to wishlist button, and you can see that the product has been added to our wish list. Now the customer can navigate to the wish list here at the top, and here we have the HTC Touch HD product added to our wish list here. And under the my wish list here, apart from the product that we have added to the wish list, we can also add the added products to the cart back. So as to make a checkout, we can also remove the products from the wish list by tapping the remove button, and that removes the particular product from our wish list here within the OpenCart platform based web store itself, as you can see right now. So we're logged in as a customer. So we can add the products to our wish list from the product page by tapping here on the add to wish list button, and it adds the particular product to our wish list. We had just emptied our wish list. If I go back to my wish list, we can see the HTC product is back there, and from here we can add it to the cart once again, or can remove it from our wish list. So if I add it to the cart now, I can make a checkout at a later time as well. So the product is here and we can make a checkout thereafter. Now let's add one more product to the wish list, and we can do it on this section as well, on the category page as well. We have this add to wish list button. So let me tap on that, and this would add the product to our wish list. I can tap here on this link to check the complete list of wish list products. And apart from that, we can also see the wish list option in the view and edit cart section. So for that, let me add one product to the cart. So let's tap this add to cart button. Now if I go here and tap here in the web cart section there, now you might be thinking that I've added the product to the shopping cart, but there's no add or move to wish list option here. Now this depends upon the configuration from the backend panel, whether the admin has enabled to show the move to wishlist button within the view and edit cart. If that is enabled, then this section here would have the move to wishlist button, otherwise it would not have. So right now we don't have that option enabled, that's why it's not visible. But by the way that particular thing gets visible, I'll just show you that. So this is how the move to wishlist button gets visible within the shopping cart itself if enabled by the admin from the backend panel configuration settings for this particular plugin itself. Apart from that, whenever the customer removes the product for which the wishlist button appears from the cart, a pop-up would appear there and would ask the customers, do you want to move this product into the wish list? If you select yes, then it would be added to your wish list. Otherwise, if you tap on the no button, then the product would not be added to the wish list and would be removed from your cart there. And that's how you can also remove the product basically from the cart who has the option for the move to wish list applied on it. Now let's go to the admin backend panel. Let's see what different initial configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So for that, let's go to the admin backend panel now, and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering our username password for our OpenCart platform based web stores backend panel. And after the successful login, and after we've successfully installed this particular plugin, to make the initial configuration settings, we need to navigate through extensions and then extensions. I'm sorry for that, you have to navigate to the module section here, and here we have the module, that's the move to wish list. So if I tap here on the edit button, we have these four options. So the very first option is to enable or disable this particular functionality for your web store, wherein the customers can move the products into their wish list to make a checkout at a later time, because it has been seen that the customers usually tend to leave the cart like that only. So this way, if they have a change of mood, they can add the product to the wish list to buy it at a later point in time. The second option that we have here is the show wishlist button on cart. So if you choose this option as a yes, then a button appears for the products, so as to add those products to the wish list on the cart itself. Then we have the show wishlist button on the shopping cart. The same goes for this as well. And lastly, we have the show wishlist button only on out of stock products. So here we also have this option wherein if we have any products that are out of stock right now, then the customers can add them to the wish list button to purchase them whenever they are back in stock. So for that, those products, if you want to enable the move to wish list button, you can choose a yes. And now the second option that we had here, show wishlist button on shopping cart. Basically, uh, if the admin enables this option and sets it as a yes, then the customers can basically add the products from the shopping cart to their wish lists, otherwise not. If you remember, within the view cart, we were not able to add the products from there to our wish list, but if this option is chosen as yes, then the customers can add those products from the cart itself as well. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, and we are good to go. So that was much about the OpenCart Move to Wishlist plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements within the OpenCart platform there, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com. Apart from that, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And do give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, so that we keep on creating such new features for the open source platforms for the e-commerce industry. Thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.